Hello friends, I welcome you all to my channel. Thank you all the subscribers for subscribing my channel. Today I have taken one question to solve a quartic equation, but a question has link with trigonometry. So let's begin. Question is prove that one of the roots of the equations x to the power 4 minus 10x square plus 5 is 0 is equal to 1036. That means one of these roots of this equation is 1036. You have to prove that, and you have to also find the other root. So since you know it is a quartic equation of degree 4, there are 4 roots here. X has 4 values. So we know how to reduce this equation into quadratic and to solve it. So let's begin. I'll take let x square be something t, some variable, so that the equation reduces to t square minus 10 times t plus 5 is 0. So it is a quadratic equation in t. We know quadratic formula. T equals to minus b, 10 here, plus minus b square, 10 square, 100, minus 4 into 1 into 5 whole divided by 2. So this is equal to 10 plus minus 80 square root by 2. 80 square root is 4 root 5, and cancelling with 2, I'll get 5 plus minus 2 root 5. So t equals to 5 plus minus 2 root 5. So it has two value. One is 5 plus 2 root 5 and 5 minus 2 root 5. Now when t equals to 5 plus 2 root 5, that means x square equals to 5 plus 2 root 5. So what about x? X is equal to square root of 5 plus 2 root 5. That means again there is two possibility. One is plus square root 5 plus 2 root 5 and minus square root 5 root 2 5. Now coming to when t is 5 minus 2 root 5, second case. In the same way, I'll write x square equals to 5 minus 2 root 5. This implies that x is equal to square root of 5 minus 2 root 5. Again, two possibility, one is positive, one is negative. 5 minus 2 root 5. So, the roots of this equation of the quartic equation x to the 4 minus 10x square plus 5 equals to 0 are your plus 5 plus 2 root 5 minus 5 minus plus 2 root 5, then plus 5 minus 2 root 5, then your minus 5 minus 2 root 5. Four values are there. Now you have to identify whether out of these tan 36 is there or not. So let's find tan 36. For tan 36 we need either sine 36 or cos 36. The cos 36 degree is equal to square root 5 plus 4. It is a straight value. That means simpler than your sine 36 expression. So I'll take this value, and you can also find out this cos 36 taking your cos 18 degree or sine 18 degree, converting into this. We have already a video to prove this one. You can watch that. or if you not, you can try it. So cos 36 is equal to square root 5 plus 1 by 4. Now coming to tan 36 degree. Tan 36 degree, we know that it is sine 36 by cos 36. Sine 36 is square root of 1 minus cos square 36. And I am not taking the negative value because cos 36 is acute angle, it is in first quadrant. Now putting the value. So this is square root of 1 minus square root 5 plus 1 4 whole square whole upon your root 5 plus 1 by 4. We'll simplify this, or tan 36 equal to should be 1 minus 5 plus 1 plus 2 root 5 over 16 divided by root 5 plus 1 by 4. Now simplifying the numerator, I'll get 16 minus 5 plus 1 6 minus 2 root 5, and this square root 16 I am taking the square root, it will be 4 whole upon your root 5 plus 1 by 4. This 4 cancel, ultimately I am getting in the numerator 10 minus 2 root 5 by root 5 plus 1. So getting tan 36 degree is equal to square root of 10 minus 2 root 5 by root 5 plus 1. But this does not match with the answers here. These are the 4 answers, but it does not match with any of this. So we have to bring it, the tan 36 into this form. So what will be my next step? I'll rationalize the denominator. Not rationalizing, first what I'm doing, I'm taking the 10 minus 2 root 5 and I'm taking square root plus 5 under this root. So it will be root 5 plus 1 whole square. So it will be square root 10 minus 2 root 5. Here it 5 plus 1 plus 2 root 5. Or this will be square root 10 minus 2 root 5. It will be 6 plus 2 root 5. So next step, I'll rationalize the denominator. So for this, I'll go for 10 minus 2 root 5 whole into 6 minus 2 root 5, and here in the denominator 6 plus 2 root 5 into 6 minus 2 root 5. Let us multiply the numerator. It will be 60 minus 10 root 5, 10 2 times 20 root 5 minus 12 root 5 plus 2 to the 4 plus 20 full upon, it will be 6 a plus b a minus b 36 minus 20. So in the next step it will be 60 plus 20 80 minus 32 root 5 by 16. So 16 I'll cancel with the numerator. So what I'll get? I'm getting tan 36 degree in the final step equal to, I'll cancel with 16. It will be your 5 minus 2 square root 5. Now you can compare that we have got the result. So tan 36 degree is solution of, or one of the roots of, to the power 4 minus 10x square plus 5 equal to 0. And what is the other root? If question is in term of tan, you can write this is your tan minus tan 36 degree, because another root was minus 5 minus 2 root 5, or it can be your tan of minus 36 degree. As your tan minus 36 degree is minus tan 36 degree, or it will be minus 5 minus 2 root 5. Hence, solution. Thank you for watching.